Thank you for choosing T-Rex Racing. We are a U.S. company headquartered in Dallas, Texas. We design and manufacture all of our own products. All of our stands, frame sliders, and engine guards are formed, welded, and painted by hand, and we always use the best material commercially available. Important: T-Rex Racing requires this product to be installed by a certified technician. Medium strength thread lock compound is highly recommended for use on all the bolts involved with the installation. All screws, bolts, and nuts need to be checked after driving the first 20 miles. Choose the correct torque wrench. For instance, if a torque wrench says 10 to 100 foot-pounds, trying to torque a 6mm bolt to 10 foot-pounds value would likely result in error or breakage. This is because most major manufacturers of click-type torque wrenches guarantee accuracy within 20% to 100% of their maximum range value, which means the aforementioned wrench would only work correctly between 20 and 100 foot-pounds. Therefore, the appropriate torque wrench range would be 10 to 50 foot-pounds, or ideally 5 to 30 foot-pounds. Before install. Remove the bolt by using the 10mm wrench. Remove the bolt by using the 12mm socket. Remove the bolt by using the 14mm socket. Tighten the M6 bolts to about 5 foot-pounds. Tighten the M8 bolts to about 15 foot-pounds. Tighten the M10 bolts to about 35 foot-pounds. Remove the bolt by using the 12mm socket. Install the bracket as shown by using this M8 bolt. Remove the bolt by using the 14mm socket. Install the bracket as shown by using this M10 bolts. Hand tighten the bolts at this point only. Remove the bolt by using the 10mm wrench.
Tighten the M6 bolts to about 5 foot-pounds. Tighten the M8 bolts to about 15 foot-pounds. Tighten the M10 bolts to about 35 foot-pounds after install.
If you have any questions or any suggestion for an improvement or an idea for a new product, please contact us at customer-service@t-rex-racing.com or give us a call at 972-243-7868. Thank you. Thank you for watching, and please be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos like this.